In this video, we are going to discuss about Inflibnet. First, introduction. Inflibnet was initiated by UGC in 1991. Inflibnet stands for Information Library Network. Inflibnet acts as a nodal agency for networking of library and information center in university, institution of higher learning and R&D institution in India with an aim to promote scholarly communication. Now we move to objective of Inflibnet. The main objective of Inflibnet to promote and establish communication facilities to improve capacity in information transfer and access that provide support to scholarship learning, research and academic pursuit. Second objective, to establish information and library network. Now we have to discuss scientific and technical activity of Inflibnet. The first, the database management of Inflibnet. The first database management of Inflibnet is INTCAT. This is Union Catalog, which was established in 1994-1995. INTCAT is online union catalog of Indian University. It contains bibliographical records of book, serial, thesis contributed by participating university in all discipline. GUJ-CAT, NER-CAT are subset of INTCAT, restricted searching of bibliographical record to 33 library of the Gujarat state and 8 university library in the northeastern region. Now we have Vidwan Subject Expert Database, the premier database of profile of scientist and researcher and other faculty member working at leading academic institution and other R&D organization involved in teaching and research in India. It provides important information about expert like background, contact address, skill and accomplishment. Now the other database is research project database. It provides detail of complete and ongoing project carried out by faculty member working in university and institution across the country. Now Inflibnet software, the SOL stands for Software for University Library. It is a state-of-art integrated library management software. Why it is called a state-of-art integrated library management software? Because it is highly developed software which help to manage all the library work. It is work under client server environment. SOL software is work under client server environment, and SOL 1.0 was established in Caliber 2000 and SOL 2.0 come in 2009 and SOL 3.0, the latest version of SOL, is come in February 2021. It is compliant to international standard Mark 21 to facilitate data transfer and exchange, Unicode to facilitate handling multilingual content, SEEP and NSEEP for RFID compliance, RFID functional requirement for bibliographical record. Now move to consortia initiative at Inflibnet. UGC Infonet Digital Library Consortia. It was launched by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in December 2003. It provides current as well as archival access to more than 8,500 crore and peer review journal, 11 bibliographic database from 28 publishers. It initiated interlibrary loan through JGate @UGC Infonet. Enlist National Library Information Service Infrastructure for scholarly content is funded by Ministry of Human Resources Development under National Mission on Education through ICT. The question asks in mainly library in every exam that enlist is mainly for. So we have answered that college library. It provide access to e-journal, e-book to government or government aided as well as non-aided college. Enlist program cover all discipline taught in college like law, business, computer, etc. Now we have open access initiative like Sodh Ganga, a reservoir of Indian thesis. Sodh Ganga is digital repository for submission of electronic version of thesis and dissertation. It is set up using DSpace that use internationally recognized protocol and interoperability standard. Sodh Ganga has also developed subject search interface which is based upon UNESCO SKOS Simple Knowledge Organization System, LOC LCSH, Library of Congress subject heading and other thesaurus. Now Sodh Gangotri, it hosts synopsis of approved research proposal submitted to the university in India. Open Journal Access System OJS @Inflibnet. It provides digital platform for hosting an electronic version of journal into open access mode. Now we have IR @Inflibnet. It is institutional repository formed using DSpace software. The paper published in Calibre and Planner are uploaded in this repository. Now we have Infoport. Infoport, a subject gateway to Indian scholarly internet resource. It is designed to facilitate entry of internet resource and extending its access to the user. It supports browsing of internet resource by DDC. At last, we have library network in India. It is very important to learn all this date because every exam all these data are coming, like Calibnet in 1986, Delnet in 1988, Adinet in 1993, Malibnet in 1993, Bonet in 1994, Malibnet in 1994, Inflibnet we all have studied above in 1991, initiated by UGC and become national label network in India in 1996.